Hi students, today we are going to see about the step-by-step fraction, that is about the case 12. So in this case 12, so what we are going to see here it is we have some certain numbers here, right? 5 upon x plus 3 by y plus 4 by 6 is equal to 4 by 3. As you have seen my previous video, each and every video has a different set of problems to be performed over here. And some problems need a different way of doing it. So you may think, okay, how I can remember all those things? The practice makes the man perfect. That's very much important. How much ever you practice, you will get the fluency of doing. Without any delay, let me get into the problem over here. So now what I will do, this full value I'm having here, right, which is in the denominator, I'm going to make an assumption with the variable, any of the variable. I'm going to take that as a capital A over here. That is 5 by capital A. 5 by capital A is equal to 3 by 4. So now I will cross multiply over this. So when you cross multiply over this, you may get here 5 into 4 is equal to 3A. You will be getting 5 into 4 by 3 is equal to A you will be getting. So the resultant you will be getting A is equal to 20 over 3. That if I'm writing in mixed, I'll get 6 2 by 3 you will be getting here, right? The 6 is the x value over here. That's very much important. This is your x value. Then next this 2 by 3 you're going to reciprocate. So you'll be getting 3 by 2. Then here you have a 3, right? That 3 to be multiplied over here, I'll be getting 9 by 2. As we have seen in the previous cases, the same case only involved in here. Okay, the same thing, as we reciprocate, then we will be multiplying, then again we reciprocate, the same logic comes here also. Okay, then again this 9 by 2, what you will do here, this you have y plus 4 by 6. So I'll be directly writing 9 by 2 is equal to y plus 4 by 6. I'll be writing, so 9 by 2 minus 4 by 6 is equal to y. So now as I'm taking the LCM and I'm solving over here, so your y will be here 23 by 6. So you'll be into 3, you will be getting 27 minus 4, it's 23 over 6 you will be getting. The last step is to me find out the x plus y value. So directly I'll substitute over here. So x value, as I know here, it is 6 and y value is 23 upon 6. Taking LCM over here, 36 plus 23 upon 6, this results in 59 upon 6 you will be getting. So this is my answer over here. In this video, I'm going to explain only two problems. I want you to watch both the problems to make you understand clear what is the difference between the first problem and the second problem. Now let's move on to the second problem over here. In the second problem, when you observe here, what's the difference? Previously we had 3 by 4 over here, but here we have 4 by 3. So that is a great difference between the first problem and the second problem. So as we have done in the first problem, the same thing, this denominator part, okay, this denominator part is made assigned with the variable of some other variable. I'm taking as a capital A over here. The same thing, you will write 5 by A is equal to 4 by 3. Then you will start cross multiplying them. After cross multiplying them, your A value 5 into 3 is equal to 4A. So 5 into 3 upon 4 is equal to A. A is equal to 15 upon 4 will be here. This I'm going to change over in terms of a mixed number, that is 3. 3 by 4 you will be having here, and this 3 is your x value you will be getting here. So as you know, 3 is your x value. The next step, this 3 by 4, what you have to do, you have to reciprocate them to get as 4 by 3. That you have to multiply with the number which is straight away to the x. So that when you multiply here, 3 gets cancelled over here, which results in 4. This 4 will be equated with y plus 4 upon 6. So 4 minus 4 by 6, which gives you y. Then taking LCM, 24 minus 4 by 6 gives you y here. So 20 by 6 gives you y over here. Then if I am reducing them into the lowest format, so y is equal to 10 upon 3. Now I have to find out the x plus y. So x plus y, x is 3 plus 10 upon 3, which is 9 plus 10 upon 3, which gives me answer is 19 upon 3. Very, very simple now students. So we are able to get the two problems and what is the difference between both the problems also I have clearly explained you. Please watch the video from the beginning to the end, and also if you have any such doubt, please look on to my previous video so you will get a clarity. In spite of that, if you didn't get any clarity, you can comment me. I'm there to help you in any sort of problems over there. Okay students, bye. I'll meet you in the next video.